Hi everybody, how are you doing? I hope all is well. This is Tara Gurry, your North Myrtle Beach Realtor. I am here in Cherry Grove, right off of Sea Mountain Highway at 2412 Point Marsh Lane in this raised beach house that has 5 bedrooms and 4 full baths. It is being sold fully furnished. The offering price is $799,000. It's absolutely beautiful. It rents out amazingly. I've been trying to get in here to do a showing, but it's been rented out. We have the cleaning crew that was here earlier that showed up at my, they were still there during my regular appointment to show this, but they finished up and I gotta go ahead and finish up before the next guests arrive. So there's a lot of upgrades in here from last year. New flooring throughout, new tiles in all the bathrooms. Even the balconies have new flooring. The pool's been refinished. This location is great, and so let's go ahead and take a look at this beauty, everybody. I think you're gonna like it. Okay, so again, 5 bedrooms, 4 full baths. There's an elevator here too, which is absolutely wonderful, and that the door to the right is great. And we're gonna come around here. There's a pool, and your views are these beautiful marshlands. So there's balconies on the, lots of balconies here to go ahead and enjoy the marsh views, and you have your own pool here. There's a grill, picnic table, lounge chairs. So again, being sold fully furnished, so all this will convey. Okay. Straighten things out here. Alrighty. Okay, so there is the elevator. This is the elevator right here in front. New floors. You come into the dining living area, the kitchen. Granite countertops, ample storage space, the cabinets. Frigidaire white appliances here. Lots of natural light. Stainless steel dishwasher. A breakfast bar that can seat 3, a dining table that can seat 6 there or more. Yeah, you could actually get some more chairs in there. So nice open space here in the living area. And the views, beautiful views. So this is, again, right here off of Sea Mountain Highway in Cherry Grove. So over there to the right is the beach, and the Cherry Grove beach, which goes all the way down. There is, like, you can see right there where the water tower is, and beyond that, that is Prince Towers, and that's where the Cherry Grove Pier is. But you have these beautiful views, and there's wildlife here too. I don't know if you can see that egret out there. Just great. So plenty of space here. Nice place to go ahead and enjoy your morning beverage of choice. Be coffee, matcha, green tea, whatever you prefer. So it's a great place right there. And let me go ahead. We do have 1 bedroom here and 1 bath on the first level, as well as the utility room. Alrighty, so this is the bedroom. You have a little deck out here, which is nice. You have a double closet there, and then you have your own door to the bathroom. Okay, I just think this is lovely. Look at the tile floor to ceiling. It's a beautiful large shower. Very well done. And then there is the other entrance to the bathroom. Here is the washer and dryer, the laundry room. Plenty of space in here. You see too, there's a baby seat for the guests that have babies. There's a safe here. So again, all this will convey. The linen closet there. And we're gonna make our way upstairs. And again, you could utilize the elevator if you wanted to, but I need to get my steps in for the day. I'm just kidding. I don't track steps, but I do move my body daily for sure. Okay. So here, I love how they named all the rooms. There's the Flamingo Room. Let's check out the Flamingo Room. And sure enough, flamingo bedding here. Our mermaid sleeps here. How cute, huh? So a little girl would love staying here. Even a little piggy bank with a mermaid on it. Just how sweet. Stand tall, little darling, for sure. Okay. And then we have the turtle room. So we do have a lot of turtles that come up on our beach, and we have a turtle patrol that takes good care of them when they hatch and assisting them to let them get back onto the ocean and hopefully survive and live a nice long life. So anyway, so this is a turtle room. So three twin beds, and then regular size bed here. So just 1 twin, and then standard size. Again, larger closets. Okay. So here is the second full bath. So in here, you have your shower again, so beautifully done with that tile from floor to ceiling. And if you haven't noticed yet, there are high ceilings in here, high ceilings throughout, so. Okay, and then the Nantucket room. Being a gal from Massachusetts, I like seeing this, so. Very nice with the boats. You have the views here. You have your own deck here. Maybe that's Nantucket. So again, who's ever staying here, another balcony where you can enjoy the views. Really quite tranquil. Closet right there. And here's the bathroom. Full bath here. The bathrooms were beautifully done with a large shower head as well. All right, see you later, Nantucket. So the whale room. And we have the whale decor in here. Really cute to do with naming the different rooms. Just adds to the appeal of this home. And I did mention at the beginning, this rents out amazingly well, so I've had a tough time getting in. So this for short-term rentals does phenomenally. So you'd be happy about that if that's what you'd like to do with it and invest in it. And of course your family can come down for part of that time as well. You can schedule that. So again, a lot of investors that do that, they'll section off times for themselves to come on down. All right, and then we have an owner's closet right here. But again, if you bought this as your own beach house, open that up, but it always works out well to have a owner's closet when you have a rental. So this community here has several homes, the raised beach houses, and there is a HOA, but it's very low. They take care of all the landscapers. As a matter of fact, when I was here earlier, they were finishing up with that and did a great job. So it's just $92 a month. And so that again takes care of all the ground maintenance. South Carolina, the Palmetto State. Yes, it is. You one more take of these beautiful views here. All right, everybody. So happy to go ahead and take you here on this Tara tour and show you this beautiful home overlooking the marshlands in Cherry Grove. Great rental property. Again, I've been trying to get in to see this for a few weeks and it's rented back to back. So if you're interested in this, I'd love to hear from you. My contact information is below. Feel free to give me a call, 843-877-5839, or if you're interested in any other properties, love hearing from you all and working with you and finding you the perfect property. You all take care. Until next time.